Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is a #1 bestseller and it's received 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's the Snail Mucin, and over 100,000 of these serums have been purchased in the past month alone. So why in the world would you want to put snail secretion on your skin? Well, let's take a look at the benefits. So it soothes damaged skin, repairs dark spots, and improves your skin's vitality. It's received the Cosmopolitan Award for 2024. And now we can take a look at it, because I know you want to take a look at it. And let's see how exactly you're supposed to use this gooey goodness. After cleansing and toning, you will apply to your entire face. Gently pat using fingertips to aid in absorption. It's just that simple. Some of the top reviewers say that they love the texture, they love the quality and the effect of the skin serum. They also mentioned that it leaves their skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. It provides intense hydration without feeling heavy or sticky. So don't trust me, trust over 96,000 people who have reviewed this product. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.